Deepseek R1 was released just a few days ago, and it has sent shockwaves through the AI industry. R1 is an AI model that has the ability to think just like OpenAI's cutting-edge, state-of-the-art O1 and O3 models. But here's the thing, it's completely open source.
China just unveiled a new piece of technology that is disrupting the entire tech world.
Deepseek, a small Chinese company, gave all of it away for free, and they even detailed how to reproduce it. But that's not even the craziest part. It was trained for just $5 million. As compared to the tens and hundreds of millions of dollars that most people in the AI industry thought was required to train a model of this caliber.